Good afternoon. Um, these are just some of the picks that I've made in the past little while. I'm sorry for the light. I know the lighting is kind of bad, but I'm hoping that we can show some of these. Let's see if I can zoom in. Wow, a little bit of zoom. Let me see here. This pick right here is pretty intense. This right here is my knife. I know this lighting sucks, man. I'm sorry. There's my little knife, man. That thing right there has opened up a lot of combination locks for me. Here's my little bitty Let me zoom back out. Let me see if I can zoom back out. Yeah, there you go. Anyway, look at this one right here. Let's see if I can get in there on that 17 thousandths. Eh, not that one. That one right there is a pretty wicked pick. This one right here has been pretty good over the years. But yeah, man, I've been making picks for a while. There's some pretty wild ass copper. And my little 20,000 zebra. This one right here, I think I showed you guys the other day. This is my saw blade pick. Works like $1 million. Anyway, I just wanted to show you guys a couple of my picks that I've made. And of course, this is the one that I pick a lot of American locks with. And I'm trying to find my black one. Uh-oh, did I lose my black pick? No. This is the one that I got from Jeff. He's from Canada, and there's that first piece of Canadian steel I ever used right there, man. That is by far, it's probably the most awesomest pick that I've made so far out of all these picks right here. So, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I know I enjoy making picks, I can tell you that. This is that real pretty one that I made here, last week or something? This is the dead one that I made. Awesome pick, man. 15 thousandths. Works like a champ. Double rake. And this one here is my Zigzag. The Zigzag is the one that I use to get into best locks. Not to the shear line, but to the control. It works damn near every time I've tried it. It's you can pull the core right out. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy. There's that funky one that I built out of some old piece of wood I had sitting around. I call that the witch, the black witch or something. I don't know, I forget. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and stay safe, man. They say that it's getting worse, that the curve is going to happen in the middle of April, which is this month now. So stay safe out there.